Hi there, this is our first video on our CSS tutorial for beginners series. In this video, we shall be talking about CSS, what it's all about, what this course is all about. So what is CSS? CSS simply means Cascading Style Sheet. It's the structure and makeup of your site. It's there to enhance HTML. You need HTML to use CSS. If there's no HTML, you can't use CSS. So if you do not know HTML, we have our HTML tutorial for beginner series playlist. It's in the playlist section of this channel. Feel free to check it out. So CSS is there to give HTML structure and make it beautiful. It's just like when a woman applies full makeup on her face. That's what CSS does to HTML. The goal of this course is to make you one of the best web designers in the world. You get to learn how to put your site and feel free to express yourself on your website, and we shall be teaching CSS in a structural approach for you to follow up and learn. In our next video, we shall be talking about how to add CSS to HTML. There are three different ways: the inline, the internal, and the external. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome to our channel. This is Coditure. It's a tech channel where we talk coding and all things tech. Feel free to smash the subscribe button and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.